Today we're doing floral stamp number 5, so I'm gonna come down here. I'm already on it, so that is good. Flower number 5, and I'm gonna grab this light peachy color and make sure I'm on its own layer. Make it bigger here. And I'm gonna grab the arrow tool and adjust it just a little. Might actually make it just a little bigger too. And to create the center, we're just going to duplicate that layer. So swipe left and tap duplicate, grab a darker color and drag it right over to your flower. And then you're gonna tap the arrow and reduce the size until it makes a nice little flower center. Now, I'm gonna tap that over just a little more. Now you want to grab yellow and grab your monoline brush, and then right in the center of that, a little smaller here, I'll add it in. So we want to leave room for the white dot. So a little smaller on the yellow center. Now I'm going to grab white and I'm just going to add a dot in each little petal part of the center. And then tap your flower layer, add a new layer in front of that. And with a fine monoline brush in white, I'm going to make it a little finer, just draw in some details on every petal here. And because we added a new layer, whoops, that's gonna go right behind the center without us having to stop precisely or erase anything out. So you can just keep adding all those little details. You could copy and paste, but for it to look a little less perfect, I like to hand draw in each one for each petal. And then add a new layer below your main flower. Grab the pink, the darker pink. We'll add in a stem here. My brain is not working today. All the allergy meds in the world are not helping with all the pollen that is in the air, and my brain feels so foggy in these last few videos I've been sharing with you. Okay, so we've got our stem in, and now we just need to add a couple dots in between each petal. And that is it for today. So you can, again, merge those down into one layer by just pinching them together. And now we've got our floral ready. If you swipe left, you can duplicate it and make a bunch of them. We could size them down. And if you change the colors, then you could make a whole bunch of cute little flowers, and you could start combining the ones we've done so far and make some really cool arrangements.